Hey there. Thinking about using Moneybox to save or invest? You're probably wondering, is it legit? Let's break it down. Moneybox is a UK app that helps you save and invest. Think roundups from your spending or stocks and shares ISAs. Over 1 million people use it. But is it safe? Spoiler, yes, and here's why. First, it's regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, so the FCA, the UK's big watchdog for finance. Second, your cash is protected up to £85,000 by the FSCS if things go wrong. Plus, it's been around since 2016 with solid reviews. 4.4 stars on Trustpilot from over 2,700 users. People love the app and customer service. Now, no scam vibes here, but some users gripe about fees, like a £1 monthly charge or slow withdrawals. That's just not shady though. That's just how it works. It's not perfect, but it's legit. Check the app yourself for the full scoop. Bottom line, Moneybox is safe and real, great for beginners or small savers. Want to try it? Start with £1 and see how it goes. Questions? Drop them below and subscribe for more money tips.